Welcome to Off Grid and On the Fly. Well, today I'm healing. Thanks for asking. My elbow, see, it's still kind of like that. My knee, yeah, it got healed. Well, anyhow, we're fixing to go on a camping trip with the e-bike, and I'm not taking the dog. But I got some upgrades to this that I'm doing, as I will show you, because I know you're done looking at me. Alright, there's it. That's not the cover, just the rain cover. Make it dry. I started putting the screening on it. This is gonna get somewhere about here. Is gonna get a roof for the solar panels. It's gonna come down on an arch, and work as a lid for the cooler and the battery bank. And then, of course, this is gonna be where the dog goes. I got his tether and tie up right here. And right there. I didn't know if you got a good view of it. There he is. Mr. Pagan saying, when's it coming? When's it getting done? When you gonna get it done? Come on. Come on, Dad, get it done. I wanna go riding. Huh? What are you saying? And my boy. Yeah, well, anyhow, that was the update there on that. It's not too bad. I guess a cat was there, huh? Cat's been back here, Pagan. And see, I got my lights on there. They flash. And fucking awesome, man. Safety, safety. The idiot. But that's 58 inches long. It's almost 5 feet long. It's gonna have a roof on it. The front part's gonna have I have a piece of sail. Yes, everything I do is all recycled. This is from a tabletop, which I said earlier. A couple days in between videos. Anyhow. And I'm gonna have this close up, so if it rains, we're riding, he's staying dry. And probably always have a dog until I can't ride no more. So I think I got another 20 years in me of dog. That's about how long they usually last around me. 20 years. I don't know why they last so long, but that's cool. They're my best friends. But I'm kind of nervous driving down the road. That's why I'm glad it's big, because it can be seen. Yeah, I added to the front of this. This used to be a cart down to here. That's the old cart. And then from here, that way I added 1.5 inch aluminum angle. And this is a cork gasket. I gotta clean it up. I haven't cleaned it up yet. Been doing the roof. The roof is gonna be PVC. Devin was doing that. It was Devin's idea to make it in PVC, and we're gonna leave it in PVC. These sides are gonna be canvas, snap canvas too. I got actual white canvas. I'm gonna put snaps on it, so it could be either a flatbed trailer or but Yeah, leave a comment. Like, you know, I'll give you updates. I'm sorry this one took a while. Been busy doing things. I still got another. I got the power box. The power box is supposed to be able to run that refrigerator without a problem. That power box cost me roughly about $200 plus the time. So, about, I would say, give or take $500 for the thing with the labor. This cart, I couldn't estimate it because it's all free material. I mean, it's pretty much time. Well, I bought the bolts. The bolts are stainless steel. I bought the lights. The lights, I don't know, $100, $200. But I'm not selling it. It's for me and my dog. But so that's another reason I can't really put a price on it. For me to make one, you buy all the material, and then a couple becks here and there would be all right. I don't know. I'd charge you something for the labor. Probably be a couple $100. I don't work hard. Those days of me working hard are gone. All right, I got some grocery shopping to do, and then I'm gonna come back and see what's going on from there. Hopefully, I can get some working on this cart here. I'm waiting on parts for the controller, the charger for the e-bike battery. That's another thing that's going to go back in here, the e-bike battery controller. Which I didn't start that. I just realized I was making everything nice and neat instead of sloppy redneck. I take that back. Some rednecks aren't sloppy. Anyhow, I'll let you go.